Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Big news bafethu eziphuma laphana eTanzania-ke, ama-report or ama-journalist laphana we-sport eTanzania ayaripota ukuthi u-former coach we-Kaizer Chiefs, or ngithi u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs because Kaizer Chiefs akaka-announce lutho, uNabi ukhuluma neSimba bafethu ukuthi abe i-new head coach yabo. Sikhumbule ukuthi i-head coach yeSimba Davis lo i-South African, manje sekamuvele eNorth Africa, which is ilokhunjana i-Raja, sebaze bam-announce umfowethu. So akusiwuye kuphela ucoach Nabi bafethu kuthiwa igama lakhe liyabalwa laphana ukuthi angaba ucoach weSimba. Ne-South African uBenny McCarthy bafethu oyi-national team coach laphana eKenya, naye-ke igama lakhe liyabalwa ukuthi potentially these two could be the next, one of them could be the next head coach, but-ke kuzodecide-wa through ama-negotiations nanokuthi bona bayibona kanjani iSimba overall. But iSimba one of the richest teams laphana bafethu e-East Africa. So i-situation yeSimba bafethu at the moment la bahleli khona nanokuthi kwenzakalani overall. iSimba is one of the most successful clubs laphana e-East Africa bafethu. Interesting-ke at the moment obviously uDavis ubashiyile wenza i-quick move, but-ke before ngi-expand kule nto le, uDavis ubashiya after ukusayina uNeo Maema noDerek Bala eSouth Africa. Sazi ukuthi lawo ma-two players aku-situation enjani because baye eSimba noma eBholeni laseTanzania bafethu because bawucoach waseSouth Africa or ba-understand-a ukuthi badlala kanjani, only for ucoach ukuthi abashiya avele ahambe laphana. This is sad, but yeah, Simba njengoba bengishilo is not just an ordinary team bafethu, ama-continental heavyweights. Sikhumbule ukuthi last year bafike ku-CAF Confederations Cup kuma-final bafethu, bafike bashawa khona. So ama-Giants ngempela bona ne-Young Africans noma ngithi Young yibo abadominate ibhola laseTanzania. So obvious ama-fans-ke laphana i-pressure too much mawucoacha iSimba bafethu, kufana nako-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-fans expecta ama-results immediately nama-trophies ne-dominance overall, nanokuthi ukhompithe kuma-CAF competitions because kunemali ezi-serious ezi-investiwe laphana overall. I mean for that reason iSimba obvious ngeke i-afford ukuthi uthole ucoach onganayo experience. Obviously bafuna ucoach for a long term project, ucoach o-proven winner and o-understand-a i-African football, okwaziyo ukuhandlela i-pressure overall laphana, okwaziyo nokumanager i-club of that size or of that magnitude. I mean ucoach Nabi noBenny McCarthy amagama wabo afitha kahle kakhulu bafethu. So qala ngocoach Nabi. Coach Nabi-ke already sekacoachile laphana eTanzania bafethu, bayamazi futhi bayamhlonipha. Coach Nabi wenze ey'bukwayo laphana kwi-Yanga ngo-2021 to 2023, waba leader to ama-title ambalwa and wakwazi ukufika kulo ku-CAF Confederations Cup final ngo-2023 la ashawa khona. So I mean i-technical identity yakhe i-clear, discipline ne-structure ne-strong midfielder, ukuthi midfielder yakhe ibe-organized laphana, is able to get the best out of his squad. Well maybe-ke i-budget might not be that good or big compared to let's say amanye ama-teams on the continental level or ama-rivals, but-ke i-team iSimba efunayo ngempela ukukhompitha. Obviously after i-successful spell yakhe ucoach Nabi laphana kulokhunjana ku-Young, it makes sense ukuthi ama-fans or ama-leaders wamanye ama-team laphana eTanzania bangafuna ukumletha ucoach Nabi since kuphume iy'ndaba ey'nkulu ukuthi vele uyayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. So it makes sense ukuthi iSimba igijime isheshe fast bafethu ukuthi ikwazi ukumthola ucoach Nabi if the rumors are true, nanokuthi-ke if u-available yena uyafuna ukucoacha nanokuthi abuyele ebholeni laseTanzania. If uyabuyela ebholeni laseTanzania, I mean ulokhunjana ulazi kahle kamhlophe bafethu, in and out ulazi kahle. I mean kuyoba i-direct switch from I mean the funny part ukuthi becoacha i-Young, ama-rivals amakhulu weSimba. So if uzoya kuSimba amanye ama-fans we-Young azombheka ngenye indlela ukuthi hawu mfethu bowucoacha thina but manje soya kuma-rivals wethu. But at the end of the day ibhola umsebenzi, nocoach Nabi kumele enze umsebenzi wakhe if uqashiwe laphana. I mean sikhumbule ukuthi ucoach Nabi-ke situation yakhe la kwe-South Africa isalokhunjani, isasolva, ayikakabi crystal clear, but-ke sobona in no time. Coach Nabi under i-Kaizer Chiefs under coach Nabi bafethu i-struggle ama-results, asifuni ukuqamba amanga, asifuni ukungasho leyo nto leyo, kumele siyi-mention i-struggle especially ku-league. But i-positives ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ucoach Nabi is able to win ama-cup noma kuthiwa kunzima kanjani. Uthola i-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean i-CV ka-coach Nabi manje i-polished bafethu. Uthola i-Kaizer Chiefs e-struggle for 10 years ingawini i-cup, yena wakwazi ukufika bawinise i-Nedbank Cup. So I mean obviously logo alone that would sell him anywhere around the continent ukuthi uthola i-team e-struggle yayo but he was able to win i-cup. So into enkulu kakhulu bafethu, is able to fulfill ama-promises a-restore i-club to glory days ngaloko nje okuncane anako. Obviously there were big expectations from ucoach Nabi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke yeah, I mean i-reputation and everything is at stake ya-coach Nabi ngale ndaba le coaching license kwasha kwacima. But yeah, man, sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani, nanokuthi ucoach Nabi i-license yakhe i-valid na ukuthi akwazi ukuma laphana ku-touchline kuma-CAF competitions overall. Sobona ukuthi ubani abazomsayina, but asingeneni kuBenny McCarthy profile lakhe bafethu. UBenny McCarthy-ke he needs no introduction, siyamazi uBenny McCarthy ukuthi ucoach ulona uwine boma-Champions League, udlalile like kuma-best leagues in the world, udlala eSpain, udlala ePortugal, I mean like udlale even eNetherlands, udlale like different parts of the world overall bafethu. Ku-Premier League udlalile, and most importantly ucoachile laphana eSouth Africa, laphana kumaZulu, ucoache nakuphi naku-Cape Town. Yes, la I mean uke waqualify futhi naku-CAF Champions League for the first time ever in history of i-club after impressive runs yakhe. So in fact ulo uMcCarthy ama-project uyakwazi ukuwathatha awalide and then abonise ngempela ukuthi like wamnika i-project e-right, uyakwazi ukulida and uyakwazi ukuthatha i-team to greater heights. Singakhohlwa ukuthi manje most recently bekayi-first team coach laphana ku-Manchester United, was one of the coaches behind the scenes. So I mean uyakwazi ukuspecialize even kuma-attack, kuma-hard working, usebenzele one of the best players in history of football abo-Cristiano Ronaldo. I mean i-role yakhe I mean ku-global stage, ku-global level inkulu kakhulu. Sazi ukuthi eKenya bayafuna ukumdedela na, but-ke iSimba if izo-appointa uBenny McCarthy would be a statement ngempela ukuthi i-club ithini, ithi bafuna ucoach one-star power, obviously une-charisma, attacking football, nanokuthi o-understand-a ama-projects amaningi, proven winner, naye ufuna ukuwina as an individual. But-ke there's a catch bafethu. I mean ulokhunjana uBenny McCarthy akaze acoach-e eTanzania or ku-African football. Mangithi African football ngikhuluma ngama-club, ama-team. Okokuqala futhi acoach laphana eKenya, obviously-ke i-journey yakhe nalapha eKenya ibe nama-mixed emotions bafethu, ukuthi okay abanye bayamthemba abanye abamthembi. So but-ke I mean kunama-glimpse of a great moments lawa asinika wona noma anika abantu baseKenya overall. But yeah, club football yase-Africa continental stage or away from i-South Africa akaze acoach-e khona, akanayo leyo experience leyo etheni. But-ke ucoach ol-understand-ayo ibhola. The most important thing ukuthi uyalazi ibhola kakhulu, sobona ukuthi given an opportunity uzokwazi na ukusurvive laphana e-East Africa. Sikhumbule ukuthi e-East Africa I mean kunezinto ezi-unique ezi-different, I mean football challenges yakhona, unlike ucoach Nabi uyayazi i-environment, uBenny McCarthy-ke uzongena espacini angasazi at all. So I mean obviously-ke iSimba-ke i-decision ilele kubo, nanokuthi bazokwazi ukuconvince ocoach ukuthi beze ku-project yabo laphana kuSimba. Obviously going for experience nomuntu oyi-proven success laphana, which is uNabi, or bazothatha i-bold step bathi Benny McCarthy, kuzoya ngabo overall. But I think ucoach Nabi uyongaba more preferred because at the moment uyol-understand-a vele ibhola kakhulu lalaphana eTanzania. iSimba kumele imove fast because i-season is ongoing and bayafuna compete futhi naku-CAF again. They cannot wait just for too long, kumele benze ama-decisions manje, abanaso isikhathi eside kakhulu. Yeah, save hands maybe ucoach Nabi, but-ke okunye oku-exciting ukuthi maybe baye for ulo Benny McCarthy, but izinto zi-complicated kakhulu. But yeah, sobona ukuthi bazodecide at the end of the day bafethu. These are two big coaches. Coach Nabi ne-experience, uBenny McCarthy ne-pedigree yakhe ku-international level. But asizibambeni lana bafethu, ngithi danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.